Hi, this is a demonstration of the MoonfansPro solution from the user side. Right now, I'm trying to log in as a user. Right. So for that, I'll have to write down the user credentials. So first, I'll be writing the email. Right now, as I have successfully written down the email, right now I will try to write down the password. Right. After successfully written down the credentials, I'll click on login to log in as a user. If you don't have an account, we can also create an account from over here. And let's say suppose I want to remember my password, right? So I'll have to click on remember me. So to next time, I don't have to write down the credentials again and again. So now, in this case, I have written down the credentials. Now I'll click on login. As I have clicked on the login, we can see I have successfully landed onto the user homepage, right? Now we can see we got the different constraints over here. Here we can see the different options like homepage, reels section, my profile section, purchase section. Then we also got the messages section over here. Then we got the explore option, subscriptions option, and bookmarks option. Right now, coming down, we can also see the different contents posted by the creators over here. Right, either it's a video or a photo, right? We can like, comment, even tip, right? Bookmark and share the post as well. Here we can see the different creators and we can obviously explore them as well. So yeah, was the demonstration of the user homepage and login rundown. This is the demonstration of the MoonFans Pro solution from the user homepage and features rundown. As we can see, we are on the user homepage, right? Here we can see the different explore creator options. From here we can explore our different creators, right? Coming down, we can see the announcement section over here, right? For example, I get 20% winter discounts. Now, scrolling down, we can see the post from the different creators. Like we can tip them, either like the post, comment them, and share them as well. We also got option to even bookmark them, the posts of the particular creator, right? Now, here we can see the different options like reels option. Let me click on it. Here we can see the reels posted by creators over here, right? We can like the reel, comment it, and so on. Now, coming down, we have my profile section over here. I'll cover this later. Then we got the purchase section over here. Here in the purchase section, we click on it. We can see purchased posts over here, right, of the creators. Then we got the message section. Under the message section, we can chat with the creators, or we can see with which creator we have chatted on. We can see the last scene of the creator as well. This shows the verification of the creator, is the creator is verified or not, right? We can write something like, hey, to chat with the creator. We can even send them emojis, right? We can upload any media, we can tip them as well, and we can also upload zip file, right? Now coming back to the home page, right? Then we got the explore creator option over here. From here we can explore our different creators, right? Then we got the subscription options over here and bookmark section. Let me click on explore. So yeah, from here we can explore the different creators. Either, like for example, we have to subscribe to view this post, right? Then again, Here we can explore our different creators, right? Now coming to the subscription section. From here we can see all our subscribed creators with whom we have subscribed. For example, their name, the profile picture. We can see the date as well. We can see the subscription interval as well, right? And when the subscription ends and what's the status. Is it still active or inactive? Now, coming back again to the home page, and under the bookmark section, it is pretty self-explanatory. For example, if we bookmark this particular post, it will fall into the bookmark section. Also, we can search a creator by writing their names from here under the search bar, right? Again, on the top, we got the home page button, explore creator option. This is the shop section, message section. All the notifications will land onto under the notification bell icon, right? Then from here, under the profile, we can see our wallet balance, our my profile section. We can see the my subscriptions, bookmarks, likes. Just to let you know, a user can be a creator as well. That is why we are seeing a be a creator option over here. Then we can change the theme mode from dark mode to light mode or light mode to dark mode. And yes, we got the logout section over here as well. Now let's click on edit profile. This is the profile section over here. From here, we can edit our profile, right? For example, we can change our full name, the username, right? Then we can change the language over here, right? Then we can specify our gender, our DOB. Just to let you know, this can be edited only once, right? We can also write down a profession. Coming down, we can write down our billing information over here, and after successfully writing all the things over here, right, we can click on save changes to save the changes. Now we got the wallet section over here, right? Under the wallet section, we can see the funds which are available in our account. Okay, for example, in this case, we have $890.36, right, in our account. We can click on transfer to transfer the balance, right? We can also write down the minimum amount and maximum amount over here, right? And for example, we can see the transaction fee, VAT percentage, and total amount over here, right? To let you know, we can also choose any payment gateways, for example, with debit or credit card or bank transfer to add funds, right? If we click on bank transfer, we have to write down the total amount, right? And we can make the payment directly to our bank account, right? And we have to just upload the image, right, of the transfer to make sure that the data is available. And after doing so, we have to click on I agree with terms and conditions and click on add funds, right? Now coming down to the referral sections, this is the referral section over here, right? After sharing a link, we can earn 5% of the referrals, right? Be it as a subscription, tip, or PPV, right? And also we'll earn 5% for the first 20 transactions of our referral. Here we got the referral link over here, right? Now we got the balance over here, total registered users, transactions, or total earnings made from the referrals, right? And we can also see the transaction uh, details over here, be it the transaction type, date, or earnings, right? Now coming back, now let's move to the be a creator section over here. From here we can be a creator, right? In this case we have already one approval pending, so we cannot apply for the another one, right? Admin will approve the for the creator, right? Once approved by the admin, user can be a creator as well. Now we got the live streaming request over here. For example, in this particular section we can live stream, right? Then we got the subscription option over here. Let's click on my subscriptions. Here we can see all our subscribed contents, or let's say creators over here. We can see the subscribed creator name, the profile picture, the date, right? The interval, is it monthly, right? The end state, when the subscription will end, right? And the status, is it active or inactive? Coming down, we also got a privacy and security section over here. And let me click on privacy and security first, right? We can see the all the login details over here, right? For example, Chrome on Windows, it's active 16 minutes ago. Then other login details, right? We can also click on close all sessions if we found something, or let's say if we don't recognize any of the session records this section, then we can click on close all sessions, right? We can also click on delete account to delete the particular account. Then again, we got the password section. From here, we can change our password. Then from here, we can write down our old password. And next, we can click on new password to confirm the change password changes, and click on save changes to save the change. Then we also got the restricted user section over here. All the restricted users will fall into this restricted section user, right? Then we got the payments option. Let me click on it. This is the payment section over here. We can see all the payment details, be it the invoice, the status, the payment ID, to whom it's paid, the payment gateways as well, the date, amount, right? And what was the type of the payment? Is it pay-per-view? Was it a tip? Was it a subscription? Or was it any purchase? Now, moving forward to my card section. From here, we can add any of our card over here, right? Now, we got the shop section over here. Under this, we got the purchased item section. All our purchased item will fall under this. For example, which item we have purchased, the type, the delivery status, the price, and the date as well. Okay. So yeah, thank you. This was a demonstration of the MoonfansPro solution from the user side.